Now, the first question most of us are going to have when looking at an electric lawnmower is, does it have enough power to cut the grass? This unit is a 40-volt unit. It uses two batteries that are 20 volt and they're 4 amp hour batteries. So you get two 4 amp hour batteries with this. That's a pretty decent amount of power for a mower. It's gonna have to use two at the same time to get that 40 volts. This mower also features what they call IntelliCut technology. So as you get into some thicker grass and there's more demand on the motor, it's gonna send more power to the blade. That way you can keep cutting grass at the same pace. So it's gonna throttle up whenever you need that power. Now this mower has two modes. You can switch it up here. It's got a simple turn switch on the front and it's got turbo mode or eco mode. Turbo mode obviously is gonna use more power, but you're gonna feel that constant power. Eco mode is gonna use that intelligent technology to throttle up and down as you need it, which is gonna give you longer battery life. One of the other nice features of this unit is that not only do you have the indicator lights on each battery up front here, you also have it on the side. So you can see how much power you have on the mower between the two batteries. Just a matter of pushing that button and it'll show you how much juice you've got left. Lid easy, open and close. Batteries also easy to take on and off. And again, there's that LED indicator light right there. Pop those in, put that down. Here we have the depth adjustment, simple lever here. You've got settings 1 to 7. This is really important because it is an electric mower, so if you get into some thicker grass, you're not gonna have all that power that you do with a gas mower. So if you let your yard go for a really long time and the grass is high, you can mow it twice. You can go up to a higher setting, mow it, and then drop it down lower. That way you're not bogging down the mower too much. Or if you just get into an area that you really want to mow higher, you can use those different settings for adjustment. I actually mow all the way down on level 1, and that works really well. You do get a grass catcher bag, which is pretty simple to install. Most of these electric mowers all have the same design. If you want to use the mulching function, you're going to leave this plug in, but if you want to use the grass catcher function, we'll go ahead and take that plug out, lift up this rear flap, and then this has got a nice handle on it. Makes it easy to drop that grass catcher into place. And then whenever you want to detach it, again, the handle is really nice to be able to carry that around as needed. Another really nice thing with this unit, you get two large batteries, but it would really stink if you had to charge them one at a time. They give you a dual charger, so you can plug this in and charge both of your batteries at the same time. It does take a few hours to charge, but generally for most people, that's not gonna be too big of a deal. It's also pretty handy when you want to move this thing around. They give you a nice handle on the top of the unit. Makes it really easy to pick up and carry around if you need to do that. And whenever you wanna start the mower up, you're gonna push this all the way over, hold it over, and then pull the handle back. So if you do not have this key pushed over, it will not start. If you want to save a little space or transport this in a vehicle or something like that, the handle can be folded down pretty easily. Just a matter of loosening a couple of these knobs up here, it'll fold down. So I think this mower is a great value. The dual 4 amp hour batteries running at 40 volts is going to give you a good amount of runtime along with plenty of power. I like that you can adjust between turbo mode or eco mode depending on your preferences, and it's just an all-around well thought out tool at a great price point.